Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. I know, some of you guys are tired of seeing my C250 performance mods. Well, as you can see, I'm sitting in my wife's car, so that means we're gonna upgrade the performance on my wife's C300. Let's do it. So here's what we're gonna be installing today on my wife's C300. We have a T-box. This is a transmission tune for faster, smoother shifts. This is an engine tune, so this will tune your ECU for better performance. And this is a pedal tune. You see me install this in a previous video. It has a bunch of different settings so you can control how responsive you want your throttle to be. All of this is from Tornado Tuning. I'll leave the contact information in the description below if you're interested in buying this. All of this is under 500 bucks. And it should make about 10 to 15 horsepower. But it's not really about the horsepower gain, it's more about improving your daily driving of your C300. Another cool thing about these are that they are fully reversible and you can bring your car completely back to stock with no issue. Let's go get this installed. Now that we're back in the car, before we start, this kit has 3 products. You have to install them in the correct order. The first thing we're gonna install is the TCU tune for the transmission. So the TCU tune is actually really easy. All you have to do is turn your car on, don't start it, and you want to locate your OBD2 connector at the bottom of your car, right there. Take this, plug it in, and just wait for it to beep. Once it beeps 3 or 4 times, just unplug it and you're done. Now start your car. That's it. Just drive around and it will adapt to your driving conditions and make your shifters faster and smoother. The next thing we're going to install is the ECU tune for the engine. So the ECU tune is pretty much the same way as the TCU tune. Let's turn the car on, but don't start it. And we're gonna plug this into the same OBD2 port, but we're gonna leave it there. That's it, it's good. And what you want to do is, it actually comes with a Velcro double-sided tape that you can Velcro on, but this has to stay on your vehicle. And that plug you plugged in, it actually has a female side for an OBD2, so you can plug other stuff there too without having to remove your tune. And lastly, we're going to install the pedal tune, because this pedal tune will take into account everything you've done to your car to give you the correct and most responsive throttle. Here's the pedal tune. We just need to plug in these connectors. The connector is on the inside of your pedal. So to remove the pedal, take off those 2 bolts. The pedal will come off, disconnect that, plug this in, put the pedal back together, turn your car in the on position, and program your pedal tune. Now that everything's installed, I'm just gonna let my wife drive the car around for a week and get her thoughts. So it's been about 10 days. My wife has been driving it around town to go get groceries, to go shopping, and going to work. She says the car picks up a lot quicker. It drives a lot smoother, and when she's going on the highway to merge or trying to pass a car, the car just gets up and goes. So overall, I think the tune definitely did the trick, and for less than 500 bucks, it's a really good value for your Mercedes C300. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.